Audeze Maxwell. Maxwell from Audeze. Woo. Hey, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Audeze Maxwell 2. This is the Xbox edition. Very excited. Long-time Maxwell user. We're also going to be putting some wicked cushions on there and an aviator headset band. Make it a little bit more comfortable. A lot more comfortable. Yeah. Well, maybe I'll try at first maybe without those. Shall we? See how this the headband, see if they improved it. So we got here. There we go. I don't have to use the knife anymore. Boys and girls. Okay, here's the box. It's a box. Okay. Let's get her opened. All right. Welcome to Uncompromising Audio, says there. We're going. We're getting her. We're getting her there. Oh my God. Let's just use gravity. Let's use a better force than what I can apply. I'm going to throw this on the ground now. Okay, we got a little presentation. Gray box. Going to be popping this up, maybe. Got it. Got it good. Oh, that does fold. Okay, so that is how spots go. Go foamy boy. Instruction boy with, how the fuck does this pull like that? Yep, okay. This comes with an Audeze sticker, thank you card, Dolby Atmos. Does that have a key for it? Oh, I better not show that. I might have a, I'll do this off camera. Hold on. It does not have an Atmos key, but it does do Atmos. Maybe it comes with it in the software. That would be kind of cool. Okay, so you just have warranty shit, a thank you card, a Dolby Atmos card. Maybe they're just trying to get you to buy the license. Okay, we got the dongle. It's USB-C. It's got Xbox and PC toggle switch on it. Standard Audeze shit. Maxwell shit. Got a nice gigantic Celica packet. I'm hoping there's got to be some cords down there somewhere. Wow, that's really nice. Wow, this is all metal right here. That's different. And this is a lot. This metal, it's a lot heavy. This feels like it's 30 to 50 grams heavier than the other, the original Maxwell. Okay. These feel more refined. This is, the mic mute's a lot better. Hold on, wait a second. Which one's, so this left, the power's on this side now? Power's on the right side now. Okay, that's a little really weird. Okay, let's keep going. Where's my cords? I gotta itch my foot. Ah! Ankle. My ankle itches. Okay. Back to the basics here. So we take out foam boy here without breaking it. Oh man, why would they do the packaging like this? We're gonna get there. I'm trying not to break this foam. Okay. Got a wire box here. It's a box with wires in it. Okay. Into the goodie bag. It's a box. Okay, we got a 3.5. 3.5. We've got USB-C to USB-C, male. That was male as well. We've got USB-A to USB-C female. Boop to boop. And we've got the microphone, which looks like the same. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. Let's pull this off. I don't think it's glued. It doesn't feel glued. Looks like, oh, it's cardioid. It's a cardioid mic this time. We got the, then filter on the back. Nice. Okay. Put this windscreen back on her. I will test it at first with just the regular headband. See how that goes. And then I have some wicked cushions, cooling ear pods for it, and an aviator band, and another one that's the same one as my Maxwell that I'll try with it at a later date. Thank you all for watching. That was my unboxing of the Audeze Maxwell 2. Let me put her on for a second. Let's see what this is like. Oh boy, we're going to have to tighten that top. Holy shnikey. Okay. Let's make sure. Got the tightening holes, right? Boop, boop. Good. Okay. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm glad that Red Bull wasn't open because I would have just fucking spilled it. Take it easy. Hooda Buddha. Take it easy. Oh, take it easy now. Now take it easy. Take it easy.